If you want to record your screen on Mac, you can do it with a tool that's already built in. No downloads, no third-party apps. This is the most up-to-date method, and a lot of tutorials out there are outdated and overcomplicate things. Stick with me to the end and follow each step in order. If this helps, consider subscribing. It's free but really helps the channel out. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. On your keyboard, press Shift, Command and 5 at the same time, all three buttons at the same time. A small toolbar will pop up at the bottom of your screen. This is your Mac's built-in screenshot and screen recording tool. The first three icons on the left are for taking screenshots, so you can ignore those. The two icons on the right are the ones you want. The first one records your entire screen. The second one records just a selected part of your screen. Now, before you hit record, click Options. This is where you set a few things that most people skip. Under microphone, choose your mic if you want to talk over your recording, like a voiceover or a walkthrough. If you leave this set to none, your recording will have no sound at all. Under Save To, you can pick where the file ends up, whether that's desktop, documents, or a folder of your choice. You can also turn on Short Timer, which gives you 5 or 10 seconds to get ready before recording starts. And you can turn on Show Mouse Clicks, which puts a dark circle around your cursor every time you click, which is really useful if you're showing someone how to do something. Once your options are set, click either Record Entire Screen or Record Selected Portion. If you pick the selected portion, drag to choose the area you want and then click Record. Your Mac is now recording. When you're done, look at the top right of your screen. Up in the menu bar, you'll see a small stop button, a square inside a circle. Click Stop Recording. If you can't find it, you can also press Command, Control and Escape at the same time to stop. The recording just saves on its own. By default, it saves straight to your desktop. And that's it. That's the built-in way to record your screen on a Mac with no extra apps required. I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.